Hey everyone, I recently bought this Dyson vacuum for a fiver because it was broken, but it turns out it just needed a new battery. Anyway, whilst I had it apart and I was cleaning it, I realised you could change the back cover to allow a HEPA filter to screw on the back. You just have to buy this and clip it on. And these HEPA filters can easily be changed, and they should improve the flow and the performance of it. And when I realised all the air comes out of this hole, it could easily be converted into a high performance air blower. So I set about 3D printing a nozzle that could clip on the back instead of the HEPA filter. So with a bit of time on Fusion 360, I designed one. And of course I forgot to record 3D printing it. But here's the final result. And as you can see, it just screws on the back, nice fitment. And normally it takes a few goes to get fitment perfect, but somehow I got this right on the very first print. And to hold it and use it, you have to hold it like this. But it works really well, especially if you put it on turbo mode. That's it, thanks for watching, see ya.